Hey, I hope you're doing good. It's Chris here from Sixth String Fingerpicking. Today we're learning how to play a kind of beginner, early intermediate level fingerstyle arrangement of Johnny Cash's I Walk the Line. For this one, I've done it in standard tuning and with a capo placed onto the 2nd fret. If you'd like to get yourself a copy of the guitar tab, you can do. Go ahead, it's down in the description. But let's just get right into the lesson. So the first part goes like this. Okay, so we've got a moving bass line going on with some strumming going on in between. So it's a lot of fun to play. As always, I'll be referring to all of the chords as if there were no capo on. And to start off with, we're going to walk up to our C chord. So we're going to play the 3rd fret on the 6th string. Then on the 5th string, play open 2. So that's just. And then we're going straight to our C chord. Okay, so. And then on that C chord, play the 5th string, the bass. And then we're just going to do a strum, roughly targeting strings 2, 3, 4. You know, don't have to be super accurate, but roughly they're the strings we're targeting. Okay, and then so that's 1, 2, and then the bass goes to the 6th string 3rd fret. So play that, and then we strum again. Okay, so if you're not used to alternating and strumming like that on, say, a C chord, I would really recommend just getting good at that first, because that kind of theme continues throughout most of this here. Okay, so you've gone like that. Then we're walking up to our F chord. So what we do is we play the 3rd fret on the 5th string twice. Then on the 4th string we play open 2. So, and then we go to our F. Okay, but really it's an F/C. So you can either go like that, or you can hold down the F/C like this. So I've got my F here, got my pinky on the 4th string. Okay, instead of my 3rd, and then my 3rd finger's on the 5th string 3rd fret. Okay, same as you see. You can do it like that, or you can alternate. Doesn't really matter too much. Whichever way you want to do it, I think is fine. Anyway, on this F/C chord, we do the same that we did on the C, but it's all shifted up. So we play the 4th string, then strum, strings 2 and 3, roughly, and then we play the 5th string in the bass, and then strum again. So just 1, 2, 3, 4. So walking into it, like that. So you've gone from the start. Okay, then we're walking back to C. On the 4th string, we play the 3rd fret twice, then the 2nd, and then open. So then just back to our C, and we play 5th string, strum, 6th string, strum, and then we're going to a G this time. Okay, so on the 5th string you play frets 3, 3, 2, open, and then to your G, 3rd fret on the 6th string, play that. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then it goes to a G chord. Okay, so just hold down the bass, play the 3rd fret on 6th string, then strum, and then play the 4th string in the bass, and then strum again. So it's just 1, 2, 3, 4, and then in the bass play the 4th string, the 6th string, the 5th string open, and then the back to the 3rd fret on the 6th string. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. It stays on G for 2 more bars. After that, play the 4th string open, then strum, then play the 3rd string in the bass and strum. So that's okay, and then we're going to walk back down to C. We're going to play the open 3rd string, and then on the 4th string play frets 3, 2, open, and then it's back to C. So the second half of the G there, you've gone. Okay, and then all of that G. continuing, we just go back to our C chord, play the 5th string, and then strum, then the 6th string, then strum. Okay, just do that 3 times. So 1, 2, 3, and then play the 5th string. Okay, and then that's going to go into the verse. So that's the intro section. Let's go right the way back to the start and play through. So from the start, you've gone C, up to F, back to C, down to G for 4 bars. Back to C. So then the verse goes like this. So let's break that down. To get into it, you've played the bass note on your C chord. Then on the 2nd string, you're going to play frets 1, open 1. So, and then we're going to G. Okay. So on the G, play the bass note, but then also the 3rd fret on the 2nd string. Those two together. And then your thumb is going to play the 4th string, and then you're going to go back and play strings 2 and 6 together. And then the 4th string. So, and then once more, strings 2 and 3. Then play the 1st string, open twice. Then back to the 3rd fret on the 2nd string. Okay, so. Okay, then we go to C, strings 2 and 5, and then 4, 3, and then play the 6th string, and then the 4th string. So, okay, then back to the 5th string, and I believe we just do that again. So on the 2nd string, 1, open 1, up to your G, just like before, and your C, just like before. Okay, but instead of then playing 1, open 1 on the 2nd string, you're going to play frets 1, 3, and then open 1st string. Okay, so you come out of your C, because you're going up to F. Okay, so just bear that in mind. And then, yeah, so you play 1, 3, open, like that. On the 2nd string, 1, 3, and then open on the 1st string, and then we go to just a regular F chord, play strings 1 and 4, then 3, then 1 and 4 again, and then 3, okay, and then 1 and 4 again. So just 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. And then on the 1st string, you're going to go the 3rd fret, quickly slide to the 5th fret, and then back to the 3rd, and then the 1st. So, okay, so the F is. Okay, then straight back to C, strings 1 and 5, and then 4, 3, and then down to the 6th string, and then the 4th string. So just 1, 2, and 3, 4. Let's count for it, and then play the 5th string. Okay, and then on the 2nd string, play 1, open, and then 2nd fret on the 3rd string. Because you're... Alright, and then to G, just play the bass note with the open 3rd string, then play the 4th string, the 6th string, the 4th string, and then the 6th string, so just... Okay, and then on the second string, play 3, 1, open, and then back to our C, play strings 2 and 5, and then 4, 3, 6, 4, okay? Okay, then the fifth string in the bass, and then we just do that again. Exactly the same. Okay, so that's the because you're mine, I walk the line, and I just do that twice. Because you're mine, I walk the line, and that's all I do for the verse. So if we go back to the start of this section and play through it once more, you have gone close on this heart of mine, and again eyes wide open all the time. Because you're mine, I walk the line. Because you're mine, I walk the line. And because this is a stripped down, slightly simplified version of the song, that's pretty much where I leave it. You can of course do the verse again if you want to, and in the original song, Johnny Cash, he changes key for the next verse, and in the third verse he changes key as well, but I wanted to keep things as simple as possible. So all I do after that is I go straight back into what we learned for the intro, and I play basically the intro for the outro. Exactly the same. And that's all I do. That's where I end it. So there you go. You've got it. So if you enjoyed learning how to play this song and you want to learn more about fingerpicking and fingerstyle guitar, then you've got to head over to sixstringfingerpicking.com, because over there are hundreds more lessons, of course, all on fingerpicking for all levels. So you've got to check it out. There's a whole bunch of courses that you can take to if you really want to invest in your playing, but there's hours and hours and hundreds of free stuff too. So check it out. I'll link to it down in the description. But for this lesson, that's it. Thanks so much. I'll see you again.